Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
We're here with Sara from RSM. Sara, thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you very much.
Now, I wanted to have a chat to you because I know you guys support R&D tax, support for local businesses here, and we know there's a lot of support for manufacturing, especially in Queensland.
Yeah.
Earlier in the year, Shane and I did a podcast actually on all the support mechanisms for business in manufacturing. So I think this is pretty timely. We're here in Queensland, Manufacturing Week.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about RSM and how you guys are supporting manufacturers here.
Yeah, of course. So RSM and my team, we support manufacturing companies to access state and federal government grants.
Yeah.
We're a sister team to the R&D Tax and Government Incentives team.
Sure.
And my team is a dedicated team that works across all sectors across the country. And we access grants for our clients on a state and federal government level.
Excellent. And the R&D tax is that's the big one, right? We've seen businesses move here from overseas just due to the R&D, especially around medical research, that kind of thing.
Yes.
I'm guessing that's probably the big one.
Yes, and there's also a lot of grant funding out there as well. And
Yep.
quite often our clients struggle to navigate the complexity of the grant landscape.
Yeah.
They don't know what they're eligible for, what they're not, and we work with them to identify any grant opportunities, and then
Okay.
we look to fill in the gaps where the client may lack the capacity or capability in order to access those funds.
Okay. And there was the Made in Queensland, but now it's not called that anymore.
Yeah, so Transforming Queensland Manufacturing Grant Programme,
That's right.
so that just replaced Made in Queensland. The first round opened earlier this year and is recently closed.
Yeah.
It's going to be a 6-round basis, opening every
Okay.
6 months. And
Right.
that is looking to support manufacturing companies to either onshore or reshore manufacturing that is currently being either undertaken overseas or interstate.
Wow.
It's also looking to encourage export opportunities
Okay.
and to increase jobs in Queensland for manufacturing.
Right. Is that for any kind of manufacturing or is there specific segments? Or?
So they're looking for Industry 4.0, 5.0. So
Yeah.
they're really looking forward to that sort of innovative, advanced manufacturing.
Yeah.
And they're looking for manufacturers who have between 5 and 200 FTE employees in Queensland.
Okay.
And at least 5 of those employees have to be located in Queensland as well.
Excellent.
So.
Wow. So anything around robotics, automation, Industry 4, digitisation, smart factory type stuff.
Yes.
Looking for factories of the future.
Yeah, and the grants are between 100,000 to 1.5 million dollars in matched funding as well.
Yeah, excellent.
So.
Wow. Is there anything else around sort of the funding support? What other support for businesses around here?
There's
is that?
some funding on a federal government level.
Yeah.
If the companies are working with universities, there's CRC Projects.
Okay.
Again, the most recent round is just closed, but that tends to pop up every 6 months.
Yeah.
So if that involves one SME, industry SME,
Yeah.
another industry partner, and one research organisation at
Yeah.
university. So if you've got any manufacturers who are working with universities
Yeah.
on an innovative project, then CRCP might be the way to go for them.
Yeah, for sure. It's trying to close that commercialisation gap, right?
Yes.
Get the intelligence out of the university into industry, make them work together.
Yeah, really sort of increase that collaboration with academic research and industry research.
Yeah, I think the last round was on AI, so all that kind of physical AI stuff, perfect for robotics, automation, industry, smart factories, smart development, better products.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thanks heaps for talking to us today, and good luck at the show.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your
Sarah.
time. Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.